Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to buy a car under an LLC in 2025. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur, this could help you save money and protect your assets. Let's dive in. First, what's an LLC? It's a limited liability company, a business structure that separates your personal finances from business ones. Buying a car under an LLC means the vehicle is owned by the company, not you personally. This can shield you from liabilities and offer tax perks, especially with 2025's updated tax laws that might allow better deductions for business vehicles. Why do this now? In 2025, new regulations make it easier to claim expenses like fuel, maintenance, and depreciation as business costs. But remember, you must prove the car is used primarily for business purposes to avoid IRS issues. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Make sure your LLC is established. If you don't have one, register it with your state and get an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. This is crucial for legitimacy. Step 2. Gather your documents. You'll need your LLC's operating agreement, EIN, and proof of business intent, like a business plan showing how the car will be used. Step 3. Shop for the car. Approach dealers as your LLC. Use the business name on all paperwork. Be transparent about the purchase to avoid complications. Step 4. Handle financing and registration. If you're financing, the loan should be in the LLC's name. Then, register the vehicle with the DMV under your business details. Double-check for any 2025 specific requirements, like new emission standards that could affect eligibility. The benefits are huge: potential tax savings, asset protection, and even better resale value as a business asset. However, risks include audits if the IRS suspects personal use, so always keep detailed records. In summary, buying a car under an LLC can be a smart move, but consult a tax professional to ensure you're compliant. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.